Today I have a Nissan Rogue, and I'm going to show you how to brighten and dim the instrument panel on this Nissan Rogue. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it. You might want to dim it because it may be too bright, or you might have to brighten it because you can't see much on the instrument panel. I'm going to show you how to brighten and dim it. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm inside of the Nissan Rogue. In order to brighten and dim the instrument panel, the vehicle is on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look down here. And you see this button right here? Right here, there is, let me get in close so you can see this actually. All right, you see this right here? There is a minus and there's a plus. If I press the minus, the brightness goes down and gets dimmer. And if I press the up, the plus, it gets brighter. And when you get to the maximum amount, it dings like that, or the minimum amount, it also dings. And I'll show you on the instrument panel what it looks like. All right, so on the instrument panel right here, I'm going to press the plus. It's already all the top. I'm gonna press the minus, and it dims it very, very low. Press a plus, and it goes back up. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you brighten and dim the instrument panel on this Nissan Rogue. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.